everybody. So with the warmer days ahead, my kids love to eat popsicles. So I wanted to come up with a way to sneak some goodness into their popsicles without them really ever even knowing. So I came up with a recipe. We are going to add coconut water and chia into the popsicles, and absolutely my kids love these. They are very picky eaters, but they will eat these, and they can't even tell chia is inside of them. All right, here's how you make it. First step, you're gonna take 2 cups of C2O pure coconut water. You can use it with coconut pulp or without. You heat that up in the microwave so it's warm, maybe about 2 minutes. Next, when it's warm, you start adding chia seeds. I slowly add in 6 tablespoons of chia seeds and continue to stir in between. When it's all in there, I keep stirring for a while, for several minutes, until it gets a thicker consistency. Now I'm gonna put it in my refrigerator. I like to let it sit overnight so it really gels up. Now, here's how you make it. You take your chia seeds, for about 1 cup of your chia seeds, you add about 2/3 cup of grape juice, and then 1/3 cup of lemonade. On the other one, I basically took 1 cup of my chia seeds and then added some crushed pineapple. Pour those in your popsicle molds, and especially for the clear ones, I like to add some fruit. So I take some frozen fruit, add some strawberries, blueberries. Another way to really mix it up is I got some really fun ice cube molds and poured them in there. My kids love eating these because they're those fun shapes. Of course, you can mix it up and add any type of juice or fruit you want to your popsicles. Of course, I want to thank you so much for watching. I love to make character cakes, but I also like to, on a regular basis, make sure my kids are eating really healthy. So we will continue to make these kind of videos for you. Let us know what you want us to make in the future. Be sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye.